Okay, hello everyone. My name's Steve. I work at the Institute of Continuing and TESOL Education at the University of Queensland in St Lucia, Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Thank you for listening to our presentation about the English language options available that we offer here on the University of Queensland campus. So I'll just take you through some of those options now. Okay, so a little bit about ICT-UQ. That's the acronym that we use for the Institute. We were founded in 1981 and it is Queensland's oldest and most experienced government-accredited English language centre. We offer a wide range of courses here at ICTE, through from 5-week English language courses from beginner level right up to pathways into UQ. So the options included are General English, which we offer. I'll run through the levels in a moment. Business English, Advanced and Specific Purposes English. As I just mentioned, we also offer English language pathways to UQ, which I'll run through a bit later. IELTS testing. We're an IELTS test centre here at UQ. So it makes it very easy for students that require IELTS for entry to UQ to take the test here at our building. We also offer homestay accommodation for students while they are studying here at ICT. Okay, so this is a picture of the UQ campus. ICT is located in the central UQ campus, the main one in St Lucia. So you can see the green arrow is pointing to our building and the little round circle is the front of our building. In the background, you can see Brisbane CBD. So we're about 7 kilometres from the central business district, quite central in terms of public transport. ICT UQ students also have access to all the facilities that UQ students have access to, services such as the UQ Library, student services, counsellors, accommodation services, employment services and legal advice. So this is a picture of our building. Our building is an award-winning building which has been specifically designed for English language courses. Our classrooms are equipped with the latest teaching and learning technology, and students have access to quality internet, computer and learning centre facilities. So the classrooms are on levels 3 and 4, as well as the learning centre and the computer labs. We have students from more than 60 countries all over the world. As you can see here on the map, there's some dots showing where our students come from. More than 2,500 students each year come to ICT to learn English. It's a great multicultural environment where you can mix from students all over the world, make friends, and learn about different cultures. This is one of the testimonials from one of our students from Japan who took our English for Academic Purposes program. Being an ICT student has been more than just about learning English. There's been a chance to experience other cultures and a major life experience for me. I believe there is no better place to learn English than ICT UQ. ICT UQ students learn in small class sizes of 14 to 18 students and are taught by qualified, experienced teachers. There are lots of opportunities in class to work in small groups, to speak, learn, and share ideas. Learning is very interactive in our courses, and that's shown by we don't use textbooks in our classes. The teacher will put together different materials for you. They'll have photocopying from many different textbooks to give you exposure to many different materials. We also have, we use TV shows, news reports, YouTube, many different interactive methods for teaching. Okay, so over to the study options. As you can see, we offer classes from General English 1, so that's from beginner level, right through to General English 7 and Advanced English Communication Skills. Once you get to level 5, there are many different options open to you for study. So our courses are 5 weeks in length for General English, and once you get to EAP, so English for Academic Purposes, they are in 10-week blocks, as well as Bridging English programs. They are 10 weeks each course. ESP TESOL, ESP Tourism and Hospitality, English for International Business Communication, they're all 5-week courses. So once you've studied ICT, you have many different opportunities available to you, work, travel, or further study. We'll also progress on to UQ, and I'll just go through those options in more detail now. So we have 2 main English language pathways at UQ, General English plus EAP pathway, or the BEP pathway. The General English EAP pathway length varies depending on your current English language skills. UQ International admissions will look at your current IELTS or other test scores. We also accept IBT TOEFL, PBT TOEFL, and Pearson's, as well as IELTS. And they will calculate how long you will need to study English. Usually it's between 20 to 45 weeks, depending on your score. The BEP pathway is available for 10 or 20-week options. The BEP 2 grades can be used to show you meet the English language entry requirements for UQ, and you will not need to set an IELTS test at the end of the assessment. So for the General English EAP pathway, you'll need to do General English, then on to EAP 1, and then 2, and then set an IELTS test. Once you achieve IELTS 6.5, if the course you've selected at UQ is an IELTS 6.5 entry, you will be able to enter UQ. With the BEP pathway, you'll need an IELTS score to enter, which I'll go through in just a moment. So these are the BEP entry requirements. So for our 20-week program, this is only open to students that are looking at entering UQ for an IELTS 6.5 program. To enter this, you'll need a 5.5 IELTS with no score bands less than 5. So for the first 10 weeks of the program, you'll study in your class and then move into the 10-week BEP program. So we essentially have one BEP program with 2 entry points, the 20-week and the 10-week. So for the 10-week BEP, you'll need a 6 in IELTS with no scores less than 5.5, and this is open to students that require, for most programs, higher than a 6.5 IELTS entry point at UQ. And there's a website down the bottom you can visit for the specific entry and exit requirements for the 10-week BEP for students that require higher than IELTS 6.5. In order to go into UQ once completing the BEP, you'll need to pass with a minimum of 4 in our exit tests for students looking at a 6.5 UQ entry program. There is no testing between the, so for the BEP 20-week program, students will start and then have the testing at the end of the 20 weeks, and same for the 10-week program. They'll have the testing at the end of the 10-week. For the 20 weeks, there is no midpoint testing that you need to pass to go on to the next 10 weeks. Teachers will give diagnostic testing to make sure that you're making good progress in order to be able to go into UQ. So here's a testimonial from one of our BEP students. The BEP helped me to prepare for my UQ studies and know what to expect from my university life. The teachers are very helpful and gave me detailed feedback on my work. My time at ICT UQ was also a great chance to meet many people from different countries and to make friends before starting my degree. So during the BEP, we have lectures that help you get used to the university lifestyle in one of our big auditoriums here. So you'll be having a lecture with at least another 200 people. Okay, so if you require any more information, please email us at tsol.enroll@ict.uq.edu.au. or you can also visit our website for any further information. If you're interested, please follow us on Facebook, and we also have some more videos on YouTube if you'd like to hear more about testimonials from our students or see more about our institute. So thank you for listening, and we hope to see you studying here at ICE-TUQ soon.